Now let's see. Just wait to see if we can get some people in and join this live session. Let me just make sure I have the correct link. Yeah. Now we'll just post this link for all the groups. Just bear with me. Just preparing everything here now. Just need to make sure everyone is aware of this free session. Let's see. Yeah. Now let's log in. Let's try again. There, now we are in. We'll wait just a little to see if we can get in some more people. We'll start with the first in the list. We'll wait a couple of more minutes just to make sure we get the most in. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I will now start and we'll see if we can find something nice to trade. So I'm looking for specific things, and I will now explain for the ones that see this in recording, because I will do a little more of this in the future, where I do a surprise free one like this, because typically it's just for members. Okay. So I will now teach you how you can follow my signals. So I will just let's see. We are trading, for example, something like this one you see over here. Okay. So what we'll do here, we put a line here. We will make that one green, and I will make it the thickest one. So let's say we are in this area. Every time we come down to this green line, I will then change this for 30. I will do a $100 bid, and I will have traded every time this bar came down into the green line. Okay, and you will basically print money all the way here, even with this one. Here, what would happen? You would then think we would lose the trade, but right away I see one bar start to go below this green area. I'll then open one more. I will hedge out of the pair. Okay, I'll then push down. In that way, probably he will continue go down, and we would have lost the trade, but we would have won on the second, and that means we are hedging out of the pair. In that way, we basically lose the first trade, but we win the next, and we lose just $5 on a losing trade. How amazing is that? So that's how we do things. So now let's see if we can find that in a real try. We will do some trading today. I'm not going to promise how long time it will be online or live. A little tired today, and for me to stay live today I need quite a lot of people to see. So now let's see if we can find something cool to trade today, see if we can make some money. I will not post any like typically I post like something like binary option buy line for. I will not do that today. Today you need to see live. I'll give you the numbers and we do it like that. So up here we can see we have something. Let's see here, let's turn that one to red. So there we have our first area we are interested to do a sell. So that is for Australian dollar against the Swiss one. I see AURCAD is forming buy. I got from round of my members. Let's take a look at that one. AURCAD, let's see. Yeah, that one don't look so bad for me. We can follow that one also, but we will follow the first also here. A little far away from this. So the way we do things here now is if this green line here gets broken, we will then hedge out of the trade. Okay. I do not like that we see this trend going upwards. That means we might go away from the trade. So let's continue to see if we find something that is more current. So I will go through and see if we find something else. The way we do that, we check one more here. Let's see. Here we have another one we can mark. Let's mark it here. That's a gooder one. So now we are following basically 3, a little far away, so let's take more. Here we see nothing. Here we see nothing. Nope. By the way, make sure you join with the broker below. Basically, you get also a link directly so you can be a part of sessions just like this one. It's alpha1signals.com. You find link below. There I trade in 2 brokers at the same time, this one and Pocket Option. So make sure you join that one. It's completely free. We do sessions 5 days a week on that one. So if you like to follow something like this every single day in the week, you're in luck. And I'm planning to have it free forever. I'm not never going to charge for it. This one today, I take charge for because it's the best time to trade. Plus, I also do Forex, and it's a full 1 hour every single day. So it's a little different. Today is more a bonus because it's Monday to Friday, it's the full 1 hour. Saturday, I do, as no one have paid specifically for Saturday, it's more a bonus we do now. Now let's see. But right away someone will pay for a Saturday session only, then yes, I will take full 1 hour every time also. Now, yes, we are getting close to this one here. We are getting ready to do a buy here now. Let's see. I did not go in yet. I will zoom in so you can see we have a little space. I'm very specific with my entries. But yes, if you have push up from this position here, yes, you'll be okay. Oof, what entry was that? Did you see that? I pushed it and came far up here. Let's see. I'll take one more if I go down. One more terrible. And we broke down, we go down. And got a bad down also. But okay, we are going to lose money here, by the way. I got a super bad entry. But here at least we got the hedging I talked about. So you see we are doomed to lose 2. So basically it will be $105 down. And you see the hedging did work at least. But yes, I got super bad entries. Boring. But not much we can do about it now. Let's put sure you can see my trades. Let's put it under. So you see at least we won the second one. So you can go here to close it. I got a super bad and another super bad, and I did a hedging and we got out of it. So at least we lost basically $108 because of my stupidness. But yes, you can see we broke straight through it. But yes, the hedging, the point of the hedging we got, by the way. Now I think we can take a trade in the top here now. So let's turn this one to red. Because you see from here that now he will trade another way. But yes, our entries are terrible. Let's see if we can be better on entries. I will now see if this one is aligned first. I would like to see him go one time up to the line and keep it. Let's see. No, so we are not trading this one. Now this pair we are completely done with. Let's move on. But yes, not the best start. Would have not been so bad if it was not for 2 entries. But it were 2 terrible entries, that's why I did go in 2 times. Super boring, but that's how it is. We are going to make it back. Just wait for that. So he did break 1 time here. Let's see if he like to continue on this line. We will then take it. But I want to see 1 time he go and test the line and keep to the line. So let's see. So we're not trading the first one here now. We will wait till he come down to the green line, and if he holds something like this and go up again, then we'll start trading this line again. Let's turn to 30 seconds, but we are not trading the first, okay? So let's see. And hopefully we can get a little better entries than we got on the 3 first trade that they were basically terrible. And we are $108 minus till now, but we're going to turn that into profit. Let me see if someone at least starts looking. For now, have been 5 different people been in, but currently it's just 1 live. A little disappointing when it's free. I need to start to market myself a little better. It'll be more fun to do this type of sessions if you have a few hundred people looking, but for the future. Now let's see. Now we are just waiting for a buy on the green line, but we need to have one bar down first before we go for that. Let's see. We had one here also. Let's take a look. Okay, that one is broken. So we are not going to trade this one. I'm just going fast over here now to see. Taking its time. Here we are far away. Let's start to look for something else. That's this one. Okay, let's move on. Nope. Don't see nothing here either. Up here we have something. Let's mark it. Let's make it the red line. So let's zoom in. By the way, the one that gave the signal, if you're still here, you did see also for me that we came in for the pair you said, and right away we traded, we got the breakdown here. So you see it's not the broker going against you, it's for all of us. It's just that this will happen. But it's to, of course, this time around my computer is lagging like crazy because maybe because I have a live session, and you see when I push it came very bad entries. If it have not been for the bad entries, yes, I still would have lost, but I will have just taken one and I will be down just $8 instead of 108 now. So in a normal day when it's not lagging that much, we can hedge out the positions. So even when these type of things happen, will not be so devastating for us. So try to learn this to hedge. And if you want also to try another broker, like this one we are doing in another session for pocket option, there, at least there I can tell you one thing, it's not lagging that much when you push. So in that way it's better than this broker. This broker is a little lagging when you push. So that's the one thing I'll say it's bad with this broker, is that when we push up down, sometimes can lag up to like 2 seconds, and that is a little boring. But what I do like with this broker is that it's very easy to find a line. It's easy to hedge because you have a specific rule. Right away we see a bar go below, we just hedge. And you have a possibility to zoom out like this, so you can easily identify lines. In pocket option you can just do like this, and that's everything you can zoom. And in pocket option you don't get these specific lines, so you get more, we are more trading the wicks, then the wicks are different, right? And then it's difficult to find hedging because you need to wait for a closed bar to make a hedge, and then sometimes you get a bad entry because it can be long difference between your buy and sell, and it's a possibility you can lose both of them. So hedging is more difficult also on pocket option. So there are pluses if you had all the best from every broker in one. Yes, perfect. But I will say IQSense in that way have the most positive. The only negative thing with pocket option when you're trading is that it's lagging when you push. It's lagging a little. It's not so fast. So if something was going to be good here, I will talk with the support if they can try to fix so it's not lagging that much, because it is difficult to get good entries. So now let's see, we have a line up there, we're still a little far away, think we can start to look for something else. Yeah, let's do that. So let's continue. We can take a look at this pair here. Here I don't see nothing. Let's continue. Almost something on top, but we see we have some bars that go down. That's why we are not trading it, because that distract a little the meaning with our hedging plan also. I just wish we can find something good here now so we can start trading again, because I don't like to be in minus, but of course I know we turn that around very fast if we just can find a good line to trade. And we see this one have not tested our line down here yet. We need one test before we can say this one is tradable again. That this I don't consider line yet, but if we can get one more down, let's see now. If we go up now, we will start trading on this line. Let's wait and see. Looks like now I think I will take a trade on this line. Let's make it a 30. Let's see. Now I will trade this line. This is for euro against Swiss francs, so it's Switzerland. Let's see. I have enough here now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Then it's good. So we've gone down again. We will take a trade on this bar, not this line, I mean. So the line is a 0, 93, 47, 31. So now let's see. We are ready. I would have preferred to get it on the new bar, not on this one. Super good entry, happy with that. Now we are only ready to hedge, and we hedge because you see he broke. So he broke the line, and there you see our hedging trade. So here we basically just will lose $5. Just wait and see. Whatever happened, we just lose $5 now. So there you see a typical hedging because the line got broken. Now you see we lost. You see? And the hedging gave us just a $5 loss. So there you see how we can get big losses just by hedging. What you can do if you're trading, if you see that you're breaking down, instead of have this lag, you see, I have 15 seconds left, then you change this for 15. So the hedging order is the same value as the one you're trading. So to that you go to open trade so you can see how much time you have left, and then you change the hedging to the same level as then you have a basically almost 100% chance that your hedging will win at least. So then till now, so then for now, as we did a bad in the start, now we just lost $5, you see. So we lost just $5 on this one. So you see, hedging, it works. It's a very good way of get your losses small, and you can trade the lines, and when you get the wins, you get a big win. You just trade as long as the line stays. But if right away you see the line breaks, you hedge out of the trade. So now let's see if we can find something more. I hope the ones that will see this in the recording will start to understand how you can keep trades low risk. Now let's see, find something more. just need to find one good line so we can start to make some money also. We can't be hedging out of every trade today. We don't make money with that. No. 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 If you just can find one good one, here we might have something. Let's mark that one down here. It's buy line. If you come down to this line, let's zoom in so we get the buy line as good as possible. I would say there. So if you come down to this line, I will do a buy trade. Now let's wait and see. I like when the bar is not moving so fast. It's easier to get a good entry. Just hope we can come down here again so we can get in a trade. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, I don't think we would have made so much profit on this line till now. This one here would have been a win. This one maybe a loss. This was maybe 3 losses here. So it's not a good line, but it's the only one we have right now. So let's see. I'm ready to go in at least if we come down. And let's see how good entry I'm able to get here. Because here I think we need a very good entry to win. And we go down, and so here I need to hedge. It's just 2 seconds in between. So whatever happens, we will win one of them. So once again, we needed to hedge. As long as you don't stay in between them, we will be good. So then we won. Yeah, lost one, won one. You see? So once again, we lost on the line, but we did hedge. We lost just $5. So another $5 loss. But you see, once again, we kept the losses low because we were hedging. So at least I get that in this video. Does not look like I will make any money, but at least you can see that I keep my losses very low because of hedging. So we can call this the hedge session. But yeah, I think at least I got my point out that you can hedge out of things, so you keep your losses very low. So when you have a small wins, for example 3 in a row, then suddenly you turn profit and you keep your losses very low. So let's see. So I'm not so sad that we did not find anything good to trade yet, but at least I have proven 3 times in a row now that you can hedge out of a trade, and that we can, when we lose, at least we keep the losses low, but we can continue, find something, and right away find a line we can trade a few times, we turn profit, and we are golden for the day, you know. So here probably we have something in the top. Let's mark that one here. Let's make that one a red line. Let's zoom in. I'll try to find. Let's take it there. I think we like that line. Let's take 30. If you come up to this red line, red line, if I can speak properly here now. Sadly, looks like he's breaking. Sorry, looks like he's breaking down. So maybe we don't get the trade here now. No. And this is a good downwards trend here. Looks like we came a little too late to the party here. Here we would have been able to take quite a lot of trades. This would have turned us to a good profit. And this is what I call a good line, because we have a little space in between every single trade. So here, guaranteed I would have started at least from here, and guaranteed I would have won all these trades, because the bar moves slow and it's easy to trade. But now we're going too far down, super sad. Here we could have made some money. So it's just to find one of these lines so you can trade a little. Now let's see. I am unlucky with the lines in this session. In yesterday's session we were basically printing money. But this session we need to work it. But at least, like I said, we got to prove my idea of hedging. It's something I have not seen anyone do that, by the way. You might find someone trading support resistance, but I have not seen that combine things like I do. So I hope this is something new for you all, and it's something that maybe can turn you into a profitable trader with just this small tweak here. So you can change your losing trade to don't lose so much, and then if your win rate then from before was, let's say, very bad, was like 40%. Now at least when you get the losses, you can keep the losses small, and when you get the wins, you start to build the account instead. But of course, in my session now, I can't find so many trades. But I don't think that is the biggest point, by the way, with this session, because I have done session after session after session where I'm printing money. So it's good in some way. I could at least show many times the hedging strategy for once. But of course I want to turn profit, so that's why I'm still trading. Because I don't like to have a session that is in minus. See if I can just get a couple of trades that turn profit, I would be happy with that. But otherwise, I think it's good also that I could show this thing. Let's see, I think up here could be something. Not so many times you're trading, but it's something there. A red line up there. If we can come up to that one, I will be interested to take a trade there. Let's zoom in so you can get the best. I think we need to take it there. That's good. So if we can come up to that line up there, I think that could be something. Do we have something else? No. For now, the red line up here, I'm happy with that one. If you come up there. I see we have a resistant here, so he need to break that one first. It's not something I will trade, but looks like he broke it now. Yeah. So then there's a chance we can come up to our red line there. So let's prepare with a 30. Hopefully we can get a couple of trades to turn profit. I am currently $118 minus. If it was not for the first bullshit trade that I did get a bad entry and it going 2 times, I will basically just be $18 minus. So with one trade, I would turn everything around and be a profit. So that's our beauty with this. You can see that we basically been wrong 3 times, and if, like I said, if it was not for this double entry I had down in the start, we were wrong 3 times and just $18 minus. How cool is that? Now let's zoom in. Looks like we're going to get a trade here now. Let's follow. I'm ready. So if I can just get 2 trades here now, we are turning good profit. Now let's see. Not there yet. Let's take the open so we can be prepared for our hedging if we need to. Now let's see. We just need a little more up. I'm in, and I did hedge because he did break. Once again a hedging trade. It looks like he's holding, but he did make a bar above, that's why I did hedge it. That was just my safety mechanism. I will show you after so you can see. You don't see it because of this yellow thing here now. But I will show you why we did hedge out of this trade. But you see we would have won, completely okay. But I will show you why I did hedge. So you see here now, you see there, let's zoom in. You see he made a little higher. That's why I did hedge. Because you see no one had done that before. So he basically told me that was a possibility it will go up. So once again we lost $5. But you see again that we did hedge. So if it was not for the first, we would just be $23 down now. And just one winner would have made us into profit. So I will not trade this one more now, just because he made a higher. I don't like it. So today, you see, I have not managed to find one good line yet, but we have also not lost anything special on the lines we've been trading. So we really have mastered the hedging at least, but we need to find a good line so we can get into trades and turn profit. Let's see. No. So I'm going through everything here now. Maybe I'm repeating a little. Let's start. We have looked at this pair. Use the cut. I don't think we looked at that one. Now let's see. But yes, I start to be a little bored now that we don't find a good line we can trade to turn some money also. Hedging, I feel we have done enough of in this session. Looks like we start to go through everything here now. Okay. Zoom out. I will say down here we have something. Let's turn that one to green. We will trade on this line, let's see. This one I like a lot, actually. Let's turn to 30. Let's hope we can get in a trade here now, so we can start to turn some profit. Now let's see. Would be nice now if this could be the one he actually hold the line. I'm tired of about hedging now in this session. Quite good. Once again. And hedging came super bad. Did you see that? Let's see if we still keep good, but that was a super slow entry in the hedging. So I think it's too heavy for me this session today with my computer. There's super bad entries I'm getting. So we basically lost, we won the hedge by the way. But we lost $8 again, so now it's 131. Would be only 31 if it was not for the first trade. But yeah, this is boring. Every line we're trading today is getting broken. Start to annoy me crazy that you're not be able to find one that is holding today. But at least repeating, I'm showing at least that you can hedge out of the trade, even with a bad entry. But I need to admit we got lucky there. That hedging order did go in our direction. I think I'm running too many things at the same time here now, so it's lagging a lot. But let's see. So now I'll just go fast through every pair I open. If I don't find one trade, I think we cut this session short. Actually not too short. We have been live for 41 minutes, but I have not found one line we can trade yet. That starts to annoy me. Let me see if this one holds first now. We might have something here. It's not beautiful, but it's something. Let me see. Looks like we're building a line here now. I want to see if this one holds. If it is, this will be the last one I try today. So you wait, this bar ends, and next bar, that if come down here, we will take it. And hopefully we can get one winning trade and maybe start to turn some profit. Now let's see. Okay, so this one holds. So if you come down again, we will take a trade on this, and that will be the last line we trade today. So if it's get broken, we are done. But hopefully we can get a couple of trades so we turn profit. As it's going up, I will look through very fast another pairs. I don't like it. The reason we need a specific line is because it's the only way we can. Okay, here we have something. Now we are going to trade the one in the top here. If we come up again, we see we have one over, but the rest 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is good. So this line is good enough for me. So let's see if we can get up there again, and we will take a trade. Was it this one you're looking also? No. Was it this one? Yes, let's remove these two in between. So they're standing together. No, it was not this. Maybe I did remove it by mistake. No, this, and let's remove this one. This and this. Let's see which one he wants to give us first. Ready with a 30-second close. Now let's see. But yes, today we really needed to work hard to try to make a profit. Let's see. We are ready to take a down trade on this green line. Let's see. I got a tips about EUR against CAD that is holding. Is that this one? But I'm so close here also now. CAD, let's take a look. Sorry, I don't see what you're seeing so much. Let's see. Okay, we have a few here. Yeah, it's a one line also. Let's remove the ones in between, so we're following both of them. Was it this one? Yeah. So let's follow this two. Change for 30. That's a little annoying that it's changed for 5 seconds every time we go in between. Now let's see. I'm ready. No, it was not this one. Where is my line? Here we are. Okay. Let's change for 30. And let's go up, we've gone down. Line is broken. And I need to hedge. So hedging. So boring. I'll not even look at. You see it in the bottom here, by the way. So looks like we will lose another $5. But you see, once again, if you go to close it, I lost and I hedged it, and now all good. So that's something you see, that hedging once again made the line was broken, but I just lost $5. If I had not hedged it, it would have been a terrible session, you know. So you can see that I have done now 5 times, I think. I've been hedging, and now I managed to get out of the trades with just a small loss. But so it's just like the one that told me this, he had 2 times the line, so he had won 2 times. If I'd been here together with him, I would have had $200, and I would be good in this session with a terrible win rate. So you can see now that this works, but of course we need to find a line we can trade also, because we can't only count on losing. So, and this session have really made me need to work for my money. I want to stop now, but also I don't want to see a losing trade, so let's go a little more. But I start to be a little bored that I'm not getting any trades on a good line. Okay, let's see now if this line wants to hold for me also. I have not had the best luck today on my lines. Let's see. So with my luck today, I think this line will be broken. So I'm sorry for one that gave me the tip. My luck have not been the best today, so looks like everyone I'm trading today, the lines get broken. Now let's see. Now it's just a little waiting game. Looks like you have some type of support you need to break here first. Because if you zoom out, you see that this region have a resistance, and now it's support. So I need to break that first, so it can come down to this region. So now let's see. If we can just get a good strong bar down on, so we can. So this, yes, this will be the last line I'm trading if I'm able to trade it. Need to come down to line first. But this will be the last one. I will not go through more pairs. So this is the last chance for profit for me in this session. Would be nice if we could get 2 trades, then we would turn profit. It looks like he don't want. Let's go look fast through the ones I have open. Let me see if this can be something. Let's see. I can do it. Let's do 30. As long as you don't break up now, let's see. Come on, go a little more down. Good entry. Let's hope I don't need to hedge on this one. There we made profit. Then we have 41. Let's see if we can get one more. Good entry. And we lost, but that was not because of the line, so let's see if we can take one more. Let's see. So it's not because the line was just because the entry was good, but was not good enough. Let's see if we can get one more. Ah, I did push by mistake. Ah, so annoying. Let's mistake trade can give me profit. That would be nice. I was going to move my mouse down and I pushed the button at the same time. But at least that is going to make me make money, so that can cover the loss I got down there. It's okay, I take it. Plus 95. No, minus 35, we are... Yeah, so one more trade will be good. Let's go to the one here. Let's take a look. Okay, a little far away. Now let's see. I'm working hard here today. Okay, we can take one here. Let's see. 30. Let's see. We are in. Good entry. You see, I'm changing the timer here now. That is for hedging if we choose to break it. And there we won. Oof, then at least we turned a profit. I needed really to work hard in this session to turn a profit. So you can see I had a terrible win rate in this session, but I still did manage to turn a profit of $49. I never worked so hard to make just $49, but at least I did show in this session that hedging do work. So now let's go through the trades I have done. Let's put it to the side so you can see better. Let's take closer trades. So here you can see, let's be from 10. So you see the mistake I didn't start. I get terrible entries. I need to work extra because of that. So you lost $200 here. Then we did hedge for the 1 and we got 92. I should have taken 2 hedging trades. That was my mistake. As I had 2 entries, I should have taken 2 hedge also. Then I would be all okay. But by the way, after that, you see we lost, we hedged, we won, we lost. We lost, we hedged, we won. 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 That was the thing for today, and then we won 2 in a row. So there you have it. We needed to work hard in this session, but you could see with hedging we did make our losses small. So we can see, like I said, in this case, for this one here, you max lose $5 on the losing, and then when you get a winning trade, you turn profit. So I still hope that you, even though I did not make much money here, at least I could show you that when you have a super bad day, your losses don't need to be big. So I think maybe this was maybe the best session in some way, by the way. So you really could see what you can do when you get a losing trade. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in Monday.